Master the art of collaborative problem solving, identifying the problem. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into an essential study skill, collaborative problem solving. More specifically, we're focusing on the first step of this process, identifying the problem. This skill isn't just vital for academics. It's a life skill that can help you in various settings, including the workplace and interpersonal relationships. So, let's get started. Before we dive into identifying the problem, it's essential to understand what we mean by collaborative problem solving. This approach involves a group of individuals who work together to solve a shared problem or challenge. It's different from solving a problem on your own because you have to communicate clearly, listen actively, and negotiate to arrive at a solution. Now that we know what collaborative problem solving is, let's focus on our main topic, identifying the problem. This is crucial because if you don't accurately identify the problem, you might end up solving the wrong issue. This stage sets the course for your entire problem-solving process. It's like reading a map. If you start from the wrong place, you'll likely end up in the wrong destination. Here are some straightforward steps to help you identify the problem efficiently within a group. Step 1. Gather information. The first step is to gather all the relevant information. Everyone should share what they know, bringing different perspectives into the conversation. Step 2. Define the problem. Once you've gathered all the information, try to articulate the problem in a sentence or two. Make sure it's specific and agreed upon by everyone. Step 3. Verify. Before proceeding, make sure everyone agrees on the problem statement. This ensures that you're all on the same page, eliminating any potential for confusion later on. Step 4. Refine. Lastly, try to refine the problem statement if it's too broad or too vague. The more specific you can be, the easier it will be to find a solution. While identifying the problem, there are some common mistakes you should avoid. 1. Jumping to conclusions. Don't assume you know what the problem is without hearing from everyone. 2. Being too vague. A poorly defined problem can lead to ineffective solutions. 3. Ignoring others. Make sure every voice is heard. Sometimes the quietest person in the room has the most valuable insight. And there you have it. Identifying the problem is the cornerstone of effective collaborative problem solving. Remember, it's not just about finding a solution but ensuring you're solving the right problem. I hope you find this video helpful in enhancing not only your English skills but also your problem-solving skills in group settings. Until next time, happy learning!